Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing of the CoolerMaster Master Fan SF120R RGB with RGB lighting effect. It is compatible with the Asus Aura Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion and MSI Mystic Light Sync. Here is a little connector block to put the connectors in, and it's got 4 mounting screws with and a male-to-male connector. And here you have the fan with the 4-pin power plug. You have the RGB cable, the female part and the male part. You can daisy chain the fans together by connecting them like that and using that other connector block to keep them in place. The specs of the fan: 120mm fan, RGB, 650 to 200 RPM, 59 cubic feet a minute, 160,000 hours usage, 8 to 30 decibels. It's got a rifle bearing, 4-pin PWM, and a 2-year warranty. Thank you for watching.